Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Javi. In this video, I actually wanted to switch it up a bit. Now, I've been discussing and we've been mentioning our true self, how to be present in our heart, and true observation of our soul as our soul, bringing it down, grounded it into this world so we can live our fullest life, live our truest potential, and live our purpose. So I wanted to expand a little bit more, as this is just pure consciousness and pure awareness that we are. What does it mean? What kind of lifestyle will we be picking or choosing? Well, we won't actually be picking or choosing. Our intuition will get activated. We will automatically know what to do. We will automatically gravitate to things that are healthy for us, being around people with good energy, doing the activities and hobbies that further nourish our soul. So, in this video, I wanted to dive in a little bit into nourishment, nourishing our actual selves. And I actually wanted to do a juice. Something simple, something really tasty, and something with a lot of vibrant living energy. Now we want living energy. Now I'm not going to go into the whole thing of like being a vegetarian, a carnivore, or whatever. There's all these labels on what you are and what you're not. We're about not giving no labels and staying present. Just eat what you know is what's for you. And what's for you is food that's going to nourish your cells, food that's going to nourish your DNA, and that's it. There's no argument about that. There's no opinion about that. It's just facts. And I love to just keep it like that. No dogmas, no beliefs, because we are living our true path. And if you're watching this video, so are you. So today I'm going to make a juice. My mom wants to help me, so she's going to be chopping up a couple of things in there. I will voice over the actual juice and go right along. Hello brothers and sisters, I know this is a little different, but I've been wanting to make a video on juicing, because juicing raises your vibrations. So the idea behind juicing and why I do it so much, it's because, first of all, your body doesn't get taxed as much digesting the food. It burns so much energy trying to just digest everything. So you don't have to do that as much. And the second thing, all the living energy that's in the fruits is still intact. When you cook food and you boil it and all that, you end up killing a lot of the nutrients. A lot of the nutrients just kind of dies off. And when you juice or you eat raw as you can, you maintain the integrity of the life in the vegetables and fruits. So that's why I love juicing. And yeah, so you don't get taxed as much. You actually get all the nutritional value from the actual food, meaning you actually hold your vibration. You actually get charged up. Your body actually takes all the nutrients and it just becomes much, much more efficient, much more straight to the point. Because, you know, when you eat crazy foods, there's a reason they call it food coma. There's a reason the foods you eat knock you out, and they don't knock you out in a good way. They knock you out in like whoa, like I need to digest this. I can't live my life right now because I'm so full. I can't go out on a run. I can't do so many things because I'm just so full. This way, you're feeling low on energy, boom, take your juice and you get
the value straight to your cells almost immediately, actually, because as soon as it hits your digestive system, it starts to absorb it and pump it through, the whole circulatory system, and yeah, it holds so much more value as far as it being efficient. And it tastes so good, so yummy. That's some coconut water. So let me tell you what I got in here. I got oranges, carrots, apples, celery. You guys seen us chopping up some ginger. I love ginger. Ginger is good for digesting. So, and then you just put it all together. You blend it up. And the good thing about juicing is there's no right or wrong way. You can literally get what you have available in your house right now.
And here it is, guys. Something tasty, something real quick, something that's going to charge you up and it's going to nourish your body, because this is the vessel and we got to honor and respect this vessel. So our pure awareness and true consciousness can have a solid foundation to ground itself in, to be in this experience, so it can be in this experience, so our mind won't have a place to stay. So our heart can truly be grounded in this physical body, because it has the body that is healthy and vibrant, and all the energy is open. There's no blockages, no traumas, no anything that can stop the flow of life and for your soul to be within this body. That is very important to understand, because a lot of people, they have trouble being present, and a lot of it is because they've been in their mind for a long time, and then they get in this pattern of habitually eating to try to solve their stresses and try to forget about their problems, rather than attacking rather than coming straight to the direct source of what's causing their illness, which is not being present. And when you're not present, guess what happens? It's like the other video I made. It's a domino effect. When you are not present, you obviously start to let your mind take you, and then you start to think, ooh, I want to eat this and I want to eat that, and then before you know it, it's hard to come back from that. So keeping a healthy body from the get-go is always a plus. Thank you guys for watching. Much love. Namaste. All is love. Peace. Love you guys.